Of the studio here. This is pretty interesting. The Stockton East Water District. We got Justin Hopkins here, the general manager. How are you, sir? Good to see you.
Great. Excellent. How are you?
All right, doing good, doing good. Thanks for joining us. So before we get rolling here, tell us a little bit about the Stockton East Water District, what you guys actually do.
Right, so we provide water. We serve drinking water to the city of Stockton and California Water Service Company, and they then deliver it to about 325,000 residents in Stockton.
Okay.
And then we manage water resources, both surface water and groundwater, for 63,000 acres of irrigated agriculture.
Wow, interesting. Okay, tell us about this Farmington Reservoir Project. This is the big thing that's going on now, right?
Yes, yeah, very excited to talk about this project. It's something we've started recently, within the last couple of years, I should say restarted. So what we're proposing to do is repurpose an existing flood control facility in eastern San Joaquin County.
Okay.
That flood control dam is generally dry year-round. We'd like to improve it, raise it 12.5 feet to create 112,000 acre feet of new surface water storage.
Wow, okay, raising it 12 feet. Has something like this ever been attempted before to get something like this done like that? It seems like a big project.
It is. So
yeah.
There are several water storage projects in development throughout the state. Some of those projects are proposing to build new dams to create a new reservoir. Some are proposing to raise existing dams to expand water storage capacity of an existing reservoir. But we're unaware of any projects that are attempting to repurpose a flood control facility that's normally dry to provide a year-round storage. And there's a lot of value in this.
Yeah.
To give you some context, one of the projects on the west side of the San Joaquin Valley is proposing to build a new dam and create about 80,000 acre feet of new storage. The estimated cost for that project is around $1.2 billion.
Whoa,
with
okay.
a B.
Yeah.
So our project that would create the 112,000 acre feet of storage, so almost 50% more, has a present estimated cost of around $220 million, so about 1/5 the cost.
Wow, that's wild. All right, and who's going to really benefit from this? I'm guessing it's the community, everybody, the surrounding area, all the people, pretty much, right?
Yes. So it's a regional benefit project. It definitely benefits our constituents directly, the 325,000 residents of Stockton, and about 140,000 acres of farmland that Stockton East and our sister agency manage the water resources for. So this project provides much needed water to get our groundwater basin to sustainability. That groundwater basin covers 770,000 acres. It includes 3 counties, 5 cities, and hundreds of thousands of acres of the most productive agricultural land in the country.
Wow.
So they're all beneficiaries of this project.
Wow, all right, so it is a local issue, but what's the statewide and nationwide significance of all this?
Yes, that's a great question. I just finished talking about how this was a regional benefit project.
Yeah.
So the water resources that we're going to develop are of regional benefit. We're going to use those locally, but it's what the region is doing with those water resources that truly provides benefit and should provide interest at both the state and federal level. San Joaquin County has some of the fastest growing cities in the state, and those cities are creating jobs, building homes, generating tax revenue.
Yeah.
And again, going back to what I said previously, we have hundreds of thousands of acres of the most productive farmland in the country. Agriculture is San Joaquin County's #1 industry. It's, a lot of people don't believe this. It's still one of the top industries in the state. But beyond the economics of it, those agricultural lands are growing food that's feeding our region, food that's feeding our state, food that feeds the nation. So we really do think this is a statewide importance and nationwide importance, because domestic food production is a national security issue.
Yeah, and a lot of that, everything kind of comes out of this region. That's amazing. Well, thanks for doing what you do, and good luck with that project.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, good. All right, thanks for coming on into the show. Here, we'll throw up some information for you, of course, on the Stockton East Water District. There you go, right there down in Stockton. I know you made the drive over from Dixon. You guys are all over the place, making sure to get everything done.